Good morning, everybody. I'm going to take class of composite function. There is remaining part of the composition. Yesterday we discussed composite function on the arrow mapping diagram, but today we are going to discuss on the function of the variable form. Suppose this is the function f from a to b, defined from a to b, and the elements are 2, 3, 6, and in the b set the elements are 4, 6, and 12. Then you can find the relation between each element of the x component and the y component. Then you find that here is 2 and here is 4. That's why 8 become 2 to the 4, 3 to the 6, and 6 to the 12. It means that this function is when you multiply y occur when you multiply in x by 2, that is 2x. It means that when you multiply x by 2, 2 to the 4, 3 by 2, 3 to the 6, and 6 by 2, 6 to the 12. That's why this function is in the variable form y is equal to 2x. Or you can also write the function f x is equal to 2x. Okay. So this is the function in the arrow diagram method, but this is the function in the variable form. Okay. So now let's discuss how to find the composite function of this variable form. For that, suppose f(x) is equal to 2x and gx is equal to 3x plus 1. Then find the here is the question, find the composite function of f operation g and g operation f. Okay, this is the question for the variable form. For that at first you have to do as like that. Okay, I am going to take some example before solving this question. If the function is f(x), then what we are the function is f(x) and question is find f2. Then what we are doing, we are replacing the 2 instead x. हामीले x को ठाउँमा कति दिन्छौ 2 दिन्छौ, x को ठाउँमा कति दिन्छौ. Then the value of f2 become 2 to the 4. No. Now the question is find f operation g. Question is find f operation g. It can also write as like f operation g, or it can also write as like fg, or you can also write as like f and gx. Yes, these are the same notation thing for a f operation g. Look it carefully. F operation g, f and bracket g, fg, fgx are the same thing. Now for finding the f operation g, it means that here is f(x) is equal to 2x. Is that clear? We need f operation g. It means that f and g. Instead x we have to use here g. That's why replace here f instead x. We don't need x. We need what? G. So you have to change the g at every place of x. This is to here is x. Then use instead x what? You have to use g. Because in the previous example, just when you change here to, then you also change here to. That's why here also, if you change here x into g, this x also change into g. Now you can also write in this style, f operation g is equal to 2, and we have already given value of gx. What is the value of gx here? 3x plus 1. So keep the value of 3x plus 1. Okay, then it become 3 to the 6x plus 2 to the 2. Therefore f operation g is equal to 6x plus 2. Okay, so is there any confusion? To find the f operation g, you can see it clearly. You can see it clearly in the composite function form. Okay, let's take the next example. Oh, and there is the second part, that is g operation f. G operation f where fx is equal to 2x and gx is equal to 3x plus 1. Gx is equal to 3x plus 1. Okay. So for finding the g operation x, before that look on the example. If you have given gx is equal to 3x plus 1 and if you find g1 instead x, the question is find g1, then what we are going to doing, it means that 3 into you have to changing the x into 1, जहाँ जहाँ x छ त्यहाँ त्यहाँ के लगाउनु पर्यो 1 लगाउनु पर्यो. So 3 into 1 plus यो 1 remaining same, किन यहाँ त x छैन, जहाँ यो 1 छ 1 जस्ताको तस्तै. This become 3 1 जा 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. Is that clear? Yes. Then similarly the question is that find g operation h. हामीलाई के चाहिएको हो, g operation h. g operation h भनेको त g and h हो. Instead x you have to use h. हामीले g फंक्शनमा के राख्छौ, h राख्छौ. x को ठाउँमा के राख्छौ, h राख्छौ है. So for that हामीले पहिला g फंक्शन लिन्छौ. gx is equal to 3x plus 1. Now हामीलाई यहाँ x चाहिदैन, यहाँ x हामीलाई चाहिदैन, के चाहिन्छ, h चाहिन्छ. So you have to use here the x. हामीले त्यसो भए x को ठाउँमा चेन्ज गरेर हामीले के दिनुपर्ने हुन्छ, h दिनुपर्छ. त gh is equal to 3 जहाँ x छ त्यहाँ के गर्नु पर्यो, h दिनु पर्यो and plus के गर्नु पर्यो, 1 गर्नु पर्यो. Okay. So you can also write this as like that, gh is equal to 3 into, keep here the into and small bracket. What is the value of function h? The value of function, oh sorry, here is not h, here is I think f, here is f, no. So what is the value of f function? The value of f function is 2x. Value of f function is 2x. That is 3 to the 6x. So g operation f is equal to 6x. Answer. Similarly, this is the composite function g and f. Okay. By this process, you can find the composite function f operation h operation f. Now you can also take the next example, that if the question is that find g square, no, then the g square also give the same meaning, that is g operation g. Okay. So let's find how can we find the g operation g or the g square. First of all, you have to understand the question properly. G operation g means g and here needed again g and here needed again g. So it becomes g operation g. Is that clear? Then you need the g function. Then just let's find what is the g. Oh, the g function is already given here, 3x plus 1. So for this you have to do as like that. Gx function is equal to 3x plus 1. Gx function is equal to 3x plus 1. Okay. And we need the g instead x. x को ठाउँमा हामीलाई के चाहिएको हो, g चाहिएको हो. त्यसैले हामी के लगाउँछौ, g लगाउँछौ. जहाँ जहाँ x हुन्छ त्यहाँ त्यहाँ हामी g राखिदिन्छौ. अब यो के हुन जान्छ, 3 अनि g को ठाउँमा कति छ, g को फंक्शन त यही छ, 3x plus 1. 3x plus 1. That's why use here 3x plus 1. Now it becomes 3 3 ja 9x and plus 3 1 ja 3. Therefore g square is equal to same thing, g operation g. You can write here g square and the value become 9x plus 3. Answer. Okay. By this process we can find the g operation h or h operation g of, or we can also find the functional value or composite functional value. Okay.